Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my favorite blueberry lemon yogurt muffin recipe. These muffins are super fluffy and so moist. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of new uploads. Now let's get started. So I'll start by making a crumble topping for the muffins first. I'm just going to mix together a little bit of brown sugar, granulated sugar, and flour. Then I'm just going to add some butter here. You can use a pastry tool or you can use your hands, which is what I typically like to do. Now I'm going to take some flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and I'm going to mix them together in one bowl and then set them aside. And then I'll do the same thing for all of my wet ingredients. So I'll take all of my eggs and I'll beat these together well. Then I'm also going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, which is also what keeps these muffins super moist. And then I'll add the rest of my ingredients here, which is sugar and then a little bit of Greek yogurt, which keeps them really moist as well. And a little bit of vanilla, lemon juice, and lemon zest. Once I have all my wet ingredients in the bowl, I'm just going to stir these ingredients really well to combine them. And then all we're going to do is just add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And then we'll continue to stir these until they are well combined. Now I'm just going to fold in my blueberries here, and you can use fresh or frozen blueberries that have been thawed. It really doesn't matter here. Just use whatever you have or whatever you can get your hands on. Now I'm just going to divide the batter into 12 muffin tins that I've added liners to, and then using a small scoop or a spoon, I'll just use all the batter to make sure I fill them entirely. And then last but not least, I'm just going to top each muffin with the reserved streusel, and then these are going to get baked in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. When I tell you these muffins are easy, they are so easy, moist, and fluffy, y'all. These make a quick breakfast, brunch, or even a snack. I will link the recipe down below for you to try, but that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. I'll see you later.